Are you tired of fighting formatting quirks like stubborn M dashes and random bold text when creating client ready content with ChatGPT? In the next few minutes, you'll learn the simple step by step process I use to keep my GPTs clean, consistent, and customized so your team or clients only ever see polished professional output. Hi, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who crave higher, more consistent months with a repeatable system. I've helped coaches and service providers streamline their workflows with AI, and today I'm showing you how to upgrade your GPTs for flawless deliverables every time. Here's what we'll cover. First, I'll walk you through refining your GPT instructions for tone, style, and formatting so you can finally ditch those unwanted EM dashes. Next, I'll share my best practices for updating passwords and internal assets without the tech headaches. And finally, I'll reveal a power move for customizing GPTs for different use cases, internal versus client-facing deployment. First, the most common problem, AI-generated content often throws in bold formatting, M dashes, or even emojis no matter how many times you ask it not to, making client deliverables look inconsistent. Here's what actually works. In your GPT instructions, specify no emojis, avoid em dashes, and avoid any bold or italics formatting, each on its own line for maximum clarity. Repeat these key directives in both the tone style section and at the very end of your instructions. Often you need to tell the AI multiple times for it to actually follow. Next, let's tackle secure access for your custom GPTs. All you have to do is update your password in the instructions, typically at the top or bottom, and use simple naming conventions like AIPW April or AIPW August so your team always knows the current code. Keep the password in a secure, cloud-based notes app like Evernote and change it whenever you update your GPT or when OpenAI releases major updates. Finally, when deploying GPTs for clients versus internal use, here's my secret. Create separate versions. For internal GPTs, you can build more detailed behind-the-scenes instructions, plus frameworks and example files, without worrying about outside eyes. For client-facing tools, keep the flow user-friendly and brand-aligned and always test before rolling out. If you're finding this useful, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss new AI workflow tutorials every week. Here's a pro tip most people miss. If you're still struggling with stubborn formatting quirks, try phrasing your instructions as avoid formatting instead of a hard no formatting. In my experience, this gets better results, especially as GPT models evolve. And always double check by pasting your prompts at both the top and bottom of your instruction fields. You'd be surprised how often the AI listens the second time. So let's recap. First, specify clear, repeated formatting rules like avoid M dashes and avoid bold in your GPT instructions. Then use simple, up-to-date passwords and keep everything handy for easy team updates. And last but not least, customize your GPTs for client or internal use and always test before launching. So are you ready to build out GPTs that deliver flawless client content every single time? Click the link below to get my free Moneymaker GPT and start creating revenue-generating AI workflows today. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world.